Hello students, I am Jayasri Miss. Now today we are going to learn 1D exercise maths. First sum, 1 divided by 1 upon 3. Whenever there is a division, so we have to turn into multiplication sign and convert second number reciprocal of this. So 1 multiplied by 3 upon 1, that is 3. Now 3 divided by 3 upon 5, multiply 3 upon 5 reciprocal 5 upon 3 equal to, cutting down of 3 is 5. Now minus 5 upon 12 divided by 1 upon 16. Now we have to do the reciprocal of the second number. Minus 5 upon 12 multiplied by 16 upon 1, cutting down 3 4s are 4 4s are minus 20 upon 3. Now 3 sums done. Now fourth sum. Fourth one, minus 21 upon 16 divided by minus 7 upon 8, minus 21 upon 16 multiplied by minus 8 upon 7. Now we have to do the cutting down. 8 1s are 8 2s are 7 1s are 7 3s are, and minus plus there is 3 upon 2. So the answer is convert. Now it is a improper fraction. 3 upon 2, though is 1 upon 2 is the answer. Now fifth sum. 0 divided by minus 4 upon 7. Anything divided by 0 is always 0. The answer is 0. Now sixth sum. Now 8 upon minus 5 divided by 24 upon 25. Now, so we have to reciprocal this, right? So 8 upon minus 5 multiply 25 upon 24. Cutting down 5 1s are 5 5s are 8 1s are 8 3s are, and this is the minus sign. So answer is minus 5 upon 3. Now the sum number 7. Minus 3 upon 4 divided by minus 9. Now the reciprocal of minus 9 is minus 1 upon 9. So minus 3 upon 4 multiplication minus 1 upon 9. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Minus plus 1 upon 12 is the answer. Now eighth sum. 3 upon 4 divided by minus 5 upon 12. Now we have to do first 3 upon 4 multiplication sign. Now 5 upon 12 reciprocal 12 upon 5 minus sign. Then cutting down 4 1s are 4 3s are. Then 3 3s are 9 minus 9 upon 5 is the answer. Eighth sum. Ninth sum. Minus 5 divided by minus 10 upon 11. Minus 5 multiplication sign. Minus 11 upon 10. 5 1s are 5 2s are. Minus plus. So answer is 11 upon 2. Convert into mixed fraction. 2 5s are 12. 1. 2 5s are 10. 1. 5 1 upon 2. Now 10th. Minus 7 upon 11 divided by minus 3 upon 44. So first of all you have to do the reciprocal of this number. Multiplication. 44 upon minus 3. Now 11 1s are 11 4s are. Minus plus 7 4s are 28 upon 3. Now we have to do this is a mixed fraction, improper fraction. So 3 9s are 27 1. 9 1 upon 3 is the answer. Now first question is completed. Now move on to second question. Second is a divide. First one 3 divided by 1 upon 3. So 3 divided by 1 upon 3. So 3 reciprocal of 1 upon 3 is 3. Answer is 9. Second sum, minus 2 divided by minus 1 upon 2. Minus 2 multiplied by 2 upon 1. Minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. Answer is 4. Third one, 0 divided by minus 7 upon 9. So anything divided by is always 0. Fourth sum, minus 5 upon 8 by 1 upon 4. So minus 5 upon 8 divided by 1 upon 4. Minus 5 upon 8 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Reciprocal of 1 upon 4 is 4 upon 1. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Minus 5 upon 2 is the answer. Now fourth sum completed. Now fifth. Fifth one, minus 3 upon 4 divided by minus 9 upon 16. Minus 3 upon 4 multiplication 16 upon 9. 4 1s are 4 4s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. And minus minus plus 4 upon 3. Now it is a improper fraction converting to mixed fraction. Now 3 1s are 3 plus 1. 1 1 upon 3. This is the completed second question. Now move on to the third question. The product of the two rational number is minus 2. If one of the number is 4 upon 7, find the other. Now product is what? Minus 2. One number is equal to 4 upon 7. So the required other number is equal to, always you have to write the product first, minus 2, and divide the sign, then other number is 4 upon 7. Right? You always write the product first, then write other number. Right? Minus 2 multiplication sign, reciprocal of 4 upon 7 is 7 upon 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Minus 7 upon 2 is the answer. Now third sum completed. Now fourth sum. Fourth sum, the product of the two number is minus 4 upon 9. Product is this. One number is minus 2 upon 27. Now the required other number is equal to, first write the product, 4 upon 9, divide ka sign, minus 2 upon 27. So minus 4 upon 9 multiply by 27 upon 2. 9 1s are, 9 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. 2 3 plus 6. So 6 is the answer. Now another. Now this completed the fourth question. One D exercise. Fifth. M and N are the two rational numbers such that M multiplied by N. So M into N is given here. Minus 25 upon 9. Right? The first sub question is M is equal to 5 upon 3. Then find N. So N is equal to, first of all write the product, minus 25 upon 9, divide sign, then write N 5 upon 3. 25 upon 9 is multiplication, 5 upon 3 reciprocal, 3 upon 5. Now 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 5 1s are, 5 5s are. The answer is minus 5 upon 3. N is equal to minus 5 upon 3. Whenever there is a negative sign, minus 5, then don't convert into mixed fraction. Then second sum, second. n is equal to minus 10 upon 9. So n equal to, first write the product. Always write the product first. Then divide sign. Minus 10 upon 9. Now reciprocal of this, 25 upon 9 multiply by minus 9 upon 10. Right? 9 got 2 5 are 5 5 are. Minus minus plus 5 upon 2. There is a 2 1 upon 2. Then this is completed fifth. Now sixth question. Now by what number must minus 3 upon 4 be multiplied so that the product is minus 9 upon 16? So here also the product is what? Minus 9 upon 16, right? And the number is, one number is equal to minus 3 upon 4. So the required other number is equal to, the required other number is equal to, first write the product, minus 9 upon 16, divide sign, 3 upon 4. Minus 9 upon 16, multiplication 4 upon 3. 4 ones are 4 fours are, 3 ones are 3 threes are. The answer is minus 3 upon 4. Right? The answer is sixth one is minus 3 upon 4. Both are minus, sorry. Minus minus plus. The answer is 3 upon 4. Sixth term completed. Seventh. By what number should minus 8 upon 13 be multiplied to get 60? Thus the required number is equal to So first of all write the product 16 divide by minus 8 upon 13. 8 upon 13. So 6 multiply by 13 upon 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are. The answer is minus 26. 7th sum is completed. Now 8th one. All of you understood first? If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the notes, WhatsApp, right? Now 3 1 upon 3. If 3 1 upon 2 liter of milk cost rupees 49, find the cost of the 1 liter of milk. The cost of 1 liter of milk equal to 49, the total cost divided by 3 1 upon 2. So 49 multiply by divided by 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. Now reciprocal of 7 upon 2 is 2 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 sevens are. Answer is 14 rupees. So upon the cost of 1 liter milk is equal to rupees 14. 8 sum complete. Now 9. The cost of the 3 2 upon 5 meter of cloth is rupees 88 upon 1 upon. What is the cost of 1 meter? The cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to 88 1 upon 2 divided by 3 2 upon 5. 88 twos are 176 plus 1. 177 upon 2 divided by 5 is 15 plus 2. 17 upon 5. Reciprocal of this is 5 upon 17. Then multiplication. There is nothing, no cutting. So 177 into 5, 865 upon 72 is 34. Now you have to write in the mixed fraction. So 26, 34, 1. What is the cost? Rupees. The cost of 1 meter of the cloth is rupees 626 1 upon 34. 9 sum. Now 10. Divide the sum of the 3 upon 7 and minus 5 upon 14 by 1 upon minus 1 upon 2. Now divide the sum of this. So first 3 upon 7 plus minus 5 upon 14. Divide this by minus 1 upon 2. So 3 upon 7 plus minus minus 5 upon 14 minus 1 upon 2. The LCM is 14. 2 here 2 multiply by 1. 2 3s are 6 minus 5. Divide by 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 14 divided by 1 upon 2. 1 upon 14 reciprocal 2 upon 1. 1 upon 2 reciprocal is 2 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2. Then is 1 cutting 1. So minus 1 upon 7 is the answer. 10 sum completed. Now 11. M plus n divided by m minus n. So first required is m plus n divided by m minus n. So m is equal to 2 upon 3 and n is equal to 3 upon 2. Now substitute the value of m and n in this, right? First sum 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2 divided by 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 2. 4 plus 9 divided by 4 minus 9 upon 6. So 13 upon 6 divided by minus 5 upon 6. Then this reciprocal of this 13 upon 6 multiply by 6 upon 5. 6 cut minus 13 upon 5 is the answer. This is the first. 11 first. Now 11 second. Then m is equal to second 3 upon 4 and n is equal to 4 upon 3. So 3 upon 4 plus 4 upon 3 divided by sign 3 upon 4 minus 4 upon 3. So first of all 4 and 3 LCM is 12. 3 3s are 9 plus 16 divided by 3 3s are 9 minus 16. 25 upon 12 divided by minus 12 minus 7 upon 12. 9 minus 16 is minus 7, greater number sign, minus. Now 25 upon 12 multiply by 12 upon minus 7, 12 cut. The answer is minus 25 upon 7. 11 sum complete. 11 second. Now 11 third sum. This is the 11 second sum. Now do the 11 second in third sum. Sub question 11 third. N is equal to 4 upon 5 and n is equal to minus 3 upon 10. Now n plus n. So 4 upon 5 plus minus 3 upon 10. Divide sign. 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 10. So this plus minus minus 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 10. 4 upon 5 minus minus plus 3 upon 10. Now LCM is 10. Now 2 4s are 8 minus 3. Now here 2 multiply by 1 2 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 upon 10. 5 upon 10 divided by 11 upon 10. Then 5 upon 10, reciprocal of 11 upon 10 is 10 upon 11. 5 upon 11 is the answer. 5/11. Now 11th question completed. Now move on to 1D. 12th question. 12th. The product of the two rational number is same. Product is what? The product is equal to -5 and the one number is equal to -7/15. So the required other number is equal to, first of all write the product, -5 divided by -7/15. So -5 multiplication of 15/7, then 15 5 is 75. So minus plus to 75/7. So convert, now it is a mixed fraction, improper, then convert in mixed. 10 7s are 70 plus 5 is the answer. First. Now 12th completed. Now 13th sum. 13th sum. Divide the sum of the 5/8 and -11/12 by the difference of 3/7 and 5/14. So first sum, divide first 5/8 sum, so plus -11/12. Divide का sign, right? Then difference of 3/7 and 5/14. Now here difference of 3/7 5/14. So we will get the two answers. First 3/7 minus 5/14. First write in this way, and in second time you can use my 5/14 first minus 3/7, because here we don't know which number we have to minus. So first of all, first probability 3/7 minus 5/14, and in next possibility we will do 5/14 minus 3/7. So first LCM. Now BODMAS, according to BODMAS, first you solve the brackets. 5/8. Now F8 and 12 is the LCM is equal to 24. LCM 24. Here multiply by 3 and multiply by 2. 5 3s are 15. Plus minus minus. 11 2s are 22. Here the LCM is 14. To multiply by 2 and multiply by 1. 2 3s are 6. Minus 5. This is the -7/24 divided by 1/14. Now reciprocal 7/24 multiplied by 14/1 reciprocal. So 14 sevens are the 2 sevens are 12 twos are 7 twos are and 12 twos are. The answer is -49/12 is the answer. Now this is the first possibility. Now in the second time you have to interchange this, because difference is told. So difference means there is no any mention ki which one is greater, which one is lower. Now here we have to replace this in reverse these numbers. Now 3/7, then write 5/14 first minus 3/7. Now same thing here, 15 minus 22 upon 24. Here now 5 minus 6 upon 14. Minus 7/24 divided by -1/14. -7/24 multiplied by 14/-1. 7 twos are 7, 12 twos are minus plus 49/20. So you will get in this sum, you will get the two answers. First is -49/12 or 49/12 is the answer. Now this 1D exercise is completed. Now we will move on to